Viewer discretion is advised.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello humans, Merry Christmas Day. Just come out today, just had a little bit of a wander since there's nothing doing around town. So we thought we'd go for a little reconnaissance mission, looking for stuff to do. So yeah, we went and checked out a place where we were thinking about going for a bit of a snorkel and dive. Maybe spearfish. We're going to check out another spot that's got like a bit of inland lake. That's where we're going to now. Oh, there's something cool down there. There's something cool down there. Oh, there's something cool. We'll go down this side. We'll go the right fork in the road.
Take a right turn.
Check this out. How lovely is that? There you go. Look at that little inlet here. This is awesome. Little family having their Christmas Day. Bit of a swim. A bit of a fishing area. I could throw the kayak in here and do a spot of fishing. Maybe even a bit of a spearfish, I don't know. Maybe not allowed, I don't know. I'll have to check that out. Definitely put the kayak in and go for well, it's a bit weedy down there. It's a bit weedy. Oh look, there's the main part of the beach. There's a bit of wind coming up and a bit of a storm, so I don't know about a snorkel out there. Definitely there'll be a bit of fishing in here. Normal regular fishing, don't know about spear fishing. Might be a bit grubby for that shit. But for a regular fish, definitely. There's stuff to go fishing for. Go all the way up in that water expanse up there. We get some nice boom and some flathead in there. There's a little cricket. The little fishies are fucking with him. Yeah, huh? Anyway, I'll probably do a bit of a cook on later. Do some, something just hit me. Some massive bug just went and hit me. Hey? That was a stupid move by that bug. Hey? May as well have been hitting the truck. Hey, this is a cool area, man. Come down, have a little barbecue. Barbecue area, I might not be in a fire. It looks like there's fires here. Yeah, we'll go check out what this sign says. This sign says some stuff. Yeah, important information posted up by the people around. Let's go have a look. I have to come out here and look for snakes. There's going to be some nice snakes out here in the bush. There's some mad snakes around here, Poop, I reckon. Some lizards too. We're on a hotter day. What's this way? Leash-free area, dogs must be under control. Oh, alright. So I can bring the dog down here without having to worry. Some fish just jumped out of the water out there. Swimming not advised. No lifeguards or life-saving service here. Dangerous currents. Do say that'd be when high tide rolls in and maybe something when the water comes in from over there. Otherwise, it looks like you could do a bit of kayak, a bit of whatever. shallow end, eh? This wind's kicking up. Alright, let's go. That's where we're at. Check this in a minute. Probably do some cooking later. Alright? Catch ya. Hey, check this out. This little dude. Big motherfucker, eh? Guess what? It's just his shell. It's not the real bug. The bug has gotten out. That's a cicada. And that's his exoskeleton. How cool is that? Huh? For a minute there you thought that was the alive man, huh? Nope. It's just the shell, see? See the little split there? See the little split? That's where he pops out from. Gets all juiced up. Secretes all those juices. Wiggles himself free. And pops out of that little spot there. Huh? Big motherfucker, huh? There you go. Can you hear him? That's these guys here, making all that racket. Yeah, I'll put that there. Yeah, look, here's another one. Everywhere around here, see? Another one that's come out of his shell. See? Everywhere around here. There you go. This is the cicada lesson for the day. Right, we're back home. I just had an idea. Now, considering it's a bit of a lovely day today, the wind's a bit up, but we should be right. I'm thinking we might have a barbecue because there's no fire warnings today. The fire's alright today. There's not going to be any dramas with that. And maybe we might get that slot me in barbecue, which is like this metal plate barbecue thingy that I've got. We'll go get it. We'll go get it. Come with me. Alright. Where is it? It's somewhere back here. Where is it? It should be in a little bag or something. It's not a little bag, it's a pretty big bag and it's fucking heavy as fuck. Where is the slot me in? Where is the slot me in? What do you say? It's pretty cool. Right there.
One eternity later.
Oh, I'm back. I'm thirsty. And it's Christmas Day. Cha-ching! Right. Found my slot me in. I'll show it to you in a sec. Crack my beer. Done. Soz again today. Alright, how am I going to do this? I'll put these down over here. Alright. It's heavy, alright? Fucking thing's heavy, you'll see why in a tick. Go grab my beverage. Sandy, do you want a beer? I think that's a yes. So, Merry Christmas all, again. That's that sorted. Yeah, poop.
You want lime?
Don't care. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Hold on, I've got prawn hands. It wasn't much, hey? Merry Christmas.
So, since just put some prawns. Got some prawns, there's some steak marinating in the fridge. I've got sausages. So I could have done it on the other stove, the gas thingy, but it's Christmas Day and I really want a barbecue, eh? So we're left to do it the old-fashioned way, which is fire. But this BBQ thing, you'll see in a minute, it's pretty dope. Alright, so that's it. So slot me in. It's called the Wedge actually. It's made by Slot Me In. It's these plate steel bits and they'll slot together and it makes a little fire pit for you. That's the tray it sits in so you don't burn shit. That I believe is like a hot plate. Alright, we'll put them together. I'll show you how it works. Don't worry about the rust. The rust doesn't mean nothing because I'm not cooking on that. That's pretty much it. Got the angle bit that goes underneath, 2 bits slot on the sides. So what we do is we'll just build fire in there. We'll take these off. Just take them off like that. Build our fire, build a log, and then we can put those back on. And then I'll get the hot plate thingy. We can put our skillet on. Right, you can just have it on your campfire. You can take it with you. It's portable. Take it wherever. I usually keep it in the truck, but I had to move some shit around. But that's a big hot plate for it. Just give it a good scrub up and a bit of vinegar and all that rust will come off. Well, that should burn off, won't even matter. Alright, but you can put that on top of that and cook on that, like a big hot plate. Or you can just use it as a server or whatever, a side bit to keep it warm. But that's the whole thing. You've got options, you can put the slots in, you've got the other one to put the other hot plates on so you can make it all level. Beautiful. Alright, so that's where you can get them at. slotmein.com.au. It's all plate steel. Good shit. I've used it a few times. You might have seen me use it. Oh, I don't know. I need some light in here, man. Going into the darkness zone. There we go. Put a light on the subject. Alright, so the slot minute's gone. We're going to have to go on a bit of a wood reconnaissance mission. So, we'll be back as soon as prepping the food. Because we'll go get some wood. Alright, I'm back. I've got another beer. Alright, so, where we're at. Let me open the beer. Got a alarm fire already. Screw that shit in. Nah. Whoop! Fuck, almost lost it. Okay, we just went and got some wood from down the road in the bush. Some good bits there. Big chunk of wood there. I set up the slot mean over here. On kegs with the tray. There's a little catch tray that it comes with. Stainless steel. So all the ashes and shit can fall down through there. So it's got little cracks and shit. We've got our little faggot bundle set up. Because that's what it is. Let me put this down for a cheat. Put that down for a cheat. Have a drink. It's Christmas, motherfuckers. Right. Get some of these short bits of wood. Fuck, this weather's coming up now. Just thinking about going for a fucking dive and shit. Bit of a snorkel, bit of a spearfish, but I don't know. Now I want to fucking start a fire and have a barbecue. You know what that means? It's probably going to be a pain in the fucking ass. But we'll give it a go. We'll have a crack. If it doesn't work, then we'll just move it inside and we'll be right. We'll just get this shit going. No, what I should do? I should just bring that fucking tray over here that's got a little wood in it. Instead of fucking walking backwards and forwards like a banana. Alright. Here we go. Some little sticks in. Some bigger sticks in. We're going to be right to get it going. Now, what we're going to use today to light our fire, because I'm industrial and I live in an industrial place. We're going to use a good old oxy burner. It's actually my gas-powered snap-on. The snap-on's rubbed off on it, but it's a snap-on soldering iron. Gas-powered soldering iron. Get that going. So I made sure I checked today is a fire hazard free zone day, so we're alright. And as you can hear, there's rain clouds, there's thunder, there's a little bit of rain starting to peck through. I've got it in the corner here, so hopefully we're a little bit covered. So there we go. There you go. That's the slot mean. We've got it cracking. Catch us in a minute, alright? Let's see how this pans out. Having a barbecue in the rain with fire. Only me. Only you can do that at doing stuff with Dino. You got it. Alright, I'll catch you in a bit. Alright. The fire's going. The rain is coming. Check it out how it holds it all. So, getting a bit of warpage happening, but hold still, man. It's going to bend a bit. Right, it holds it all together. We'll let the coals die down. Let the coals die down, and then we'll be able to cook on it. It's going alright. It's pretty covered, but the rain's coming in from that way. So, just keeping it together. We've got a bit of rain, a bit of thunder. We're alright. Who gives a fuck? Don't stop at me. You know, stop it. Ooh, we got a bit of stuff there. We've got some hip hop tracks cracking. Someone's DJing for us. Got the music cracking. Beautiful. Coop's in there getting shit prepped. It's all coming together, man. Alright, Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Alright, we'll get this shit popping. This out of the way. Whoa. Got my beer. Alright, that's what we're doing. We've got the little plates there. I've got to go get the skillet so I can put that over the top, but hopefully this rain doesn't fucking start coming down too heavy. Tried so far, but that shit's fucking burning. That's what we want. Alright, catch you in a bit. Alright. Even though it's raining a bit, as you can see, it's wet. Our fire's cooking on. It's Hugh doing stuff for dinner. Don't give a fuck about the rain. Fire beats rain. Fire beats rain. Listen to this. It's not agreeing with me. I'll fuck you up. I'll drop more rain. It's holding out for now. Fingers crossed. Everything goes right. We're back again. Okay, so got our Angus steaks. Just marinated in garlic and pepper and oil. And all those fancy freaking sprinkles and sparkles and blah blah blah. Just go get natural stuff out of the garden. Parsley, oregano, basil, garlic, cracked pepper. That's it. It's very fucking made, man. All those fancy shits and blah blah blah. Rubbish. Get the stuff out of the garden. Anyway, got these from the shop. They looked alright. Pork with apple cider. Angus beef and garlic and parsley. Give them a go. It's Christmas. Give everybody a shot. Alright, so we've got garlic prawns in there. The light in here sucks at the moment because I've just broken 2 bulbs and I've got no screw-ins. We've got our fry up there. Bang. Everything's come together. I got my beer and it's unopened. Just wait. Check it out. I've got my beer sorted. Fire's coming along goodly. Rain's starting to come down a bit. Picked a good corner. It's not really getting much on there. There we go. Yeah, he's just still. Fuck yeah. You might get fucking banned for fucking having this in the background. It's on YouTube, man, so you can't ban me for using YouTube music, eh? Anyway, back to it. Alright, I made an executive decision. I put that big log out because we've got a whole heap of coals in the bottom of there, as you can see. So I'll put the little ribs in. and supporting the skillet plate. I'm missing a skillet plate. I can't find it anywhere. Might have to just cook on that one and just make do. I ain't got to cook steaks and sausages on there, so maybe some prawns. See how we go. But that's how it works. Go to Slot Me In. The Wedge. The Wedge by Slot Me In. Look at it. So it's got the air holes. It's got all the air holes where you can where it can breathe. Just put the big log there. Should be right. It's just going to sit under there. It'll be hot anyway. But there's enough coals there. I'm hungry, so I want to cook. I'm getting shit cracking. I'm coming with me on the ground gangster shit. That's real. Alright, so that's real. The rain's real. The hip hop's real. The beers are real. We're all real. Christmas Day, it's fucking real. Alright, so let that die down a little bit. That hot plate's gonna clean up on the fire, get hot, and we'll get some snags on that motherfucker, huh? Yeah. Here we go. Sausages are on. This is how we do.
Any more wood or not?
Nah.
We'll leave that there in case we need it.
Mad shit. Alright. So it's all happening now. Everything's ready.
When you put them on.
Pretty good mix. Alright. Catch you in a bit. Check it out, peeps. Prawns. Look at that. Look at the greatness occurring. Look at the greatness occurring. Let these ones stay a little bit longer. Too much longer. Yeah, from in the middle. Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's alright, got the same one. Sit down there.
It's alright. The fire will burn the germs off. That's where we're at, peeps. It's all coming together. Even in the rain. Look at the rain. It's all good. Can't stop us. That's right. Check it out. Oops. Steaks just went on. Check that out. Now that is some greatness occurring right there. Check the music in the background. Alright, we're going to get flipped in a minute. I like them blue. So, they're overcooking. Look. Look at those grill marks. Alright, so I'm going to take a blue. So it's only going to come off right now. Try to catch me riding dirty. Check it out. Is it coming off? That's a spare steak. You know, you always do your steaks, which are already fucking huge. Alright, but I still have a spare steak for lads. Anyway, catch us in a bit. Alright, so we're all done. We're going to have our surf and turf Christmas. Look, that's what Sandy believes a surf and turf should look like. Now, all you can see is a bed of prawns. Underneath those prawns, there's a steak. So, anybody featuring out there that wants to feed us, if we want surf and turf, it's going to look like that. Alright, we've got our sausages over there, snags, potato salad, regular salad, fry up salad, or fry up veggies. It's all good, it's all happening. Alright, bit of fresh avs, beer. It's all happening here. Alright, so Merry Christmas. Good luck to your family. Be safe, be cool, be fresh, stay good. Be nice cunts to everyone. Alright? Catch us after.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Oh, miss you for our kisses.